Rasor GRT10L is an electrical 3-phases cutting unit for textile and technical textiles up to 40 millimeters thickness, even with multi-layer. A toolless variable finger protection fulfill highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The machine can be fixed on O.E.M systems by using the flange or the Teflon-coated aluminum base. A heavy-duty 3-phases industrial motor in combination with extra strong steel brass gears warrants low maintenance and long durability. This cutting unit does not need any maintenance, so to be easily used during the production process on 24 hours a day. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. For edge trimming, there is a left and a right mirrored version available. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor GRT10L into an universal 3-phases cutting unit for all industrial requests. The delivery contains the GRT10L, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Please ask us. Contact us for further information.